We are talk now.
You say your question be waiting again.
Say you come Ghana, you dey enjoy Ghana. So what you did like about Ghana?
Well, you know, say me are from Nigeria, you understand? And so Nigeria environment it make different from Ghana. So Ghana it dey more calm, you know, it dey more peaceful. If you go bed, you go sleep. The robbery issue not too much. You know, I know say I get one experience though, because make I not talk now, it go be like say, you know they happen. You know, I get this mentality say they need to steal for this country. So that time where I dey school for Ghana here, I dey go game for that time. So I come get motorbike, one nice motorbike where I dey use. So the compound where I dey live that time, you no get gate, you no get fence. So I dey park my motorbike for the front of the house. And so every night, all the dogs wey dey my area, they for come for conference for my compound. All of them, you know. So if you look through, they go see like 15 dogs. They go just dey. So that night I don't go bed. I wake up for morning. I no see my motorbike. Sunday morning, I no see my motorbike. Now only the slippers where the thief carry where I come, he left it. You know. So I come to wonder, say, how these 15 dogs go dey for this place? They don't even make noise. They don't even bark. They just they look the thief like mumu. The thief waka come, he carry my motorbike. This one I tell you a true story. He carry my motorbike, he come out. They greet the thief. In fact, those dogs, they are all accomplices. You know, because they helped the thief. They were aiding and abetting crime. So the thing can affect my psyche. So even I report the matter to police. The police say make I bring the documents. Documents of the motorbike too. It's there for the motorbike because if you ride motorbike, if you don't carry the original, they will give you problems. So I don't even carry the document. All the thief carry. So since that time, I don't come like the dogs of this country again. So what I hate for Ghana, the dogs don't make sense. They behave like goats. You know, because say they used to free environment. You know, they know mind. So now I feel tell you about Ghana.
Oh, now wow.
It's now.